This is a question on AC circuits, and I found this to be very interesting, and it is a question that has been asked on the final exam. It reads, an AC source of maximum voltage 30 volt is connected to a resistor 50 ohms, an inductor 0.6 Henry, and a capacitor 20 microfarad. Now, it doesn't say that it's connected in series, but from the next part of the question, we know that it is connected in a series circuit because it says what is the maximum charge on the capacitor when the frequency of the source is set to the resonance frequency of the circuit. So the idea here is to first calculate the resonant frequency, and once you get the resonant frequency, you calculate the current through the circuit and then use that current to calculate the voltage across the capacitor, and then finally multiply that voltage with the capacitance to get the charge on the capacitor. We need to find the resonant frequency, because all this is happening at the resonant frequency, and the resonant frequency is 1 by 2 pi square root LC, and the inductance is 0.6 Henry, the capacitance is 20 microfarad, that's why it's 20 times 10 to the negative 6, and that gives 45.96 hertz. So that is the resonant frequency. Now, as I told you, to find the charge, we're going to have to use Q is equal to C times the voltage, and the voltage is IXC, where XC is the capacitive reactance. And the capacitive reactance is 1 by 2 pi FC. It's right here, 1 by 2 pi FC. And the current is, of course, voltage by the impedance. And at resonance, you know that the impedance in the circuit is only the resistance. All right? So that's very important. At resonance, the impedance in the circuit is simply the resistance, because the voltage across the inductance and across the capacitance cancel out. So, using that idea, at resonance, the current is going to be voltage by impedance. The voltage is 30, the impedance is just the resistance, so it's 50, which gives 0.6 ampere, right? Once you get that, we can find the voltage, that is 0.6 by 2 pi FC, so that's there, 2 pi times the frequency times C, which gives, well, it's actually 104 volt. That's, I'm going to correct that, that's 104 volt. And then to find the capacitance, to find the charge, I mean, just multiply the capacitance with the voltage, which is 104. So 20 microfarad multiplied by the voltage, 104, gives you the charge on the capacitance, which is 2.080 times 10 to the negative 3 coulombs, which is 2.08 millicoulomb. So I hope you understood how this problem was worked out. This is a really important problem because it takes you through every formula there is. So first you have to find the resonant frequency. And once you get the resonant frequency, you've got to find the current at resonance. And then find the voltage across the capacitance at resonance. And after that, multiply the voltage with the capacitance value to get the charge on the capacitor. I hope you got that, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.